Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you once again to this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. This channel is known for financial education, so is a platform, is an avenue whereby I share with you some ways whereby you can generate residual or passive income for yourself online. Alright, so if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe and click on the notification bell, turn it to all notifications for you to be continually aware of the next update. So you can browse through the channel. There are several videos that have been done in the past on how you can make online residual or passive income. So just feel free to browse through the channel. If you like my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Alright, what I have to share with you in today's video is how to make 3% daily profits for 190 days. 3%, not 1, not 2, but 3% daily profits for 190 days. That is 3 months. That is 6 months and 10 days. So you will make this whopping profit on your investment for good 190 days with a particular online investment platform called Viseming investment platform. So we want to know if this platform is legit or a scam. Is Viseming investment platform, is it legit or a scam? Because there are several investment platforms that they have come, and unfortunately most of them, they are nowhere to be found. They carted thousands or billions of dollars of their investors' fund, and they ran through the thing here. So you want to know if this one is what you can give a try, or we should just stay away from it. So for this purpose, you just need to stay tuned to watch this video to the very end for you to have the full information about Viseming investment platform and to take your own decision, because I'm the one to give the recommendation, but the decision is just to be taken, because you need to be responsible for your action. Alright, because I will just do my own sincere review of this platform and I give out my recommendation, but as I said earlier, you will be responsible for your action. So quickly, let's go to the platform. So this is the home page. Okay, sorry, is the investment page. Let me go to the home page of viseming.com. So the URL is viseming.com/en, that is English. All right, so let's check for some information on their home page. Market Viseming Limited, market leader in trading and development of highly scalable cryptocurrency system. So as we all know that cryptocurrency is one of the ways whereby you can generate residual or passive income online, but it is quite unfortunate that many people, they lost most of their money. They lost huge amounts of money in cryptocurrency trading because they don't know what it takes. It's not about having a huge capital alone, but you need to have the right platform. You need to have the right information. That is, there's something they call fundamental analysis. You must be able to know you must be able to know the direction of the market, and you must be able to predict well. So there are certain things that you need to know before you start trading cryptocurrency, but many people, they don't consider all these facts. They just jump into it, and for that reason they lose most of their capital trading cryptocurrency. So that gives rise to many online scam company whereby they promise their investors that they are trading cryptocurrency, and whenever people heard of cryptocurrency trading, they fall in love with such and they put their money in it, and they can the company can pay for the first 2-3 months, and after their aim has been achieved, they run away, they shut down the site, and that is the end of the business. So cryptocurrency trading do attract a lot of a lot of investors, but many of them, they fall victim of online scammers. So I just want to know if Viseming is another wolf in sheep clothing, or is what you can give a try. So as I said earlier, cryptocurrency can make you wealthy in a very short period of time, but you need to have the right capital, enough capital rather. You need to have the right coin to buy, and you need to know when to buy, and you need to know when to sell. And you shouldn't be greedy, because greediness can cost you all your capital in cryptocurrency trading. So now, in Viseming company, they said they are into cryptocurrency trading, but this cryptocurrency trading they are into, it is not well established. We don't know how true this fact is. What we see is a video of a car here. Actually, I don't have interest in watching this video because I know what it entails. So let's go a little bit further in this video. So create an account, watch the video, and find out how to make money in Viseming Limited. Okay, so we know that they are into cryptocurrency trading now. Look, so let me read further. Viseming Limited is a leader in trading and development of high scalability cryptocurrency system. With over 6 years of experience in our company, we have signed more than 1,000 trade contracts with clients in every corner of the world. Some of the most promising mining projects have been created in Latin America, Eastern Europe, and Oceania. So you can read this on your own. So this is what they claim to be. Okay, our advantages: the main factory why customers choose us, 24/7 technical support, referral program, comfortable withdrawal, passive income, reliable protection of personal data, competitive profit margins. So all these, no company will say, every company that is coming up for anything financial institution, they will surely give you some things that will attract your attention so that you can put your money into it. So all these things, they are not convincing enough for you as an investor or a potential investor to invest your little money in this. Okay, how to start make money with Viseming Limited. So this is a grammatical error. How to start make money with Viseming Limited. If truly this is an English site, I think all the grammars that should be recorded here should be scrutinized before it goes live. So I think this is an error, and it is somehow alarming. Something of this standard, it should be highly scrutinized before it will go live, before it will be posted. So well, it can be an error, but it's somehow alarming and is a very costly error. Okay, to start, so in a nutshell, let's check the other information that we have on this platform. Okay, this about us. Okay, you can read all this on your own, and this is a picture here. We don't know if this is a dummy picture or one of the staff of this company called Viseming. So, and since their identity is somehow anonymous, I think they are hiding their identity from the public. So why hiding your identity if truly what you are doing is legit and is very, very confident? So you don't need to hide your identity from people, because anyone that is putting his money into any business needs every reason to know the person that he or she is dealing with. Okay, so now let's check the investment plan. The investment plans here. Okay, let's go to the about us page, then the investment plan. Okay, I think I've read. Okay, welcome to Viseming Limited. The company's working system. Viseming Limited traders have developed a unique Viseming Limited traders have developed a unique that monitors and automatically reacts to minor spikes in cryptocurrency growth during the day, buying it at the start of the growth and selling it at the peak. So all these, they are all the terms being used in crypto trading. They are the terms being used there. So now we work with all cryptocurrency pairs available on the exchange by changing its volatility within 24 hours to 15% to 50% to 100% and more. In cryptocurrency, you can't predict what percentage profit you are going to make because it is highly volatile. You can have 20% profit within 5 minutes, and at the same time you can have 30% loss in 5 minutes. So it is very, very volatile. So you can't predict how much you are going to earn in a day. You can't predict, because there are so many things to be considered whenever you are going into cryptocurrency trading. But unlike this company, they are giving us an assurance of daily percentage of 10 to 50%. Daily percent. So it is very, very important to know some things about cryptocurrency trading before you before you dive into it. Okay, the program's main advantage is the exclusion of human factors. All right, as a partner, you are guaranteed to receive 1 to 3% from each transaction. So now let's go to the investment packages that we have here. So these are the investments. Okay, so Viseming token release May 1st 2022. Are you ready? So they even have the plan of having their own cryptocurrency. Okay, so these are the investment plans. The minimum deposit amount is $50. Accruals on deposit are made daily from Monday to Friday. Profit is accrued every 24 hours from the moment the deposit plan is activated. Okay, so now these are the ranges of amount you can earn. Professional 50% minimum investment. Okay, so now the minimum investment is $50 for the first plan, and the maximum is $499, and the deposit term is 190 days. 190, that is like 6 months and 10 days. Okay, and daily profit is 1.4%. 1.4%, that is the daily profit on a package of $50. So although the daily profit is not over promising, but the credibility of this company is somehow questionable, and we don't know how sustained this platform can be because of many abnormalities that was found on this platform. So let's check the other investment platform. The professional is $500 and the maximum is $2,999, 1.8%, and the last one here is professional 5, whereby the minimum investment is $50,000 while the maximum is $500,000, and the deposit time is also 190 days, and you earn 3% daily profit on your investment. So you can see this is a huge amount of money whereby many won't be able to afford. So I believe many will be able to afford from professional 1 and 2. Okay, so that is all about the investment plans in this particular company, Viseming.com. So what I just have to tell you as my own recommendation is that whenever you are coming into any online investment at this particular period of time, just come in with your spare money, the money that you can afford to lose if anything should go wrong. Don't come in with a loan. So just come in with your spare money. Don't come in with your loan or a borrowed money from friends and family, or what you know that it can affect your daily living. Don't put all your money in an investment like this. And another thing is that most online investment platforms, they crashed during this period, that is between November and December, based on my own experience, because many people, they are not ready to invest around this time because of the festive period. So it can lead to the end or the crash of such investment platform. There are many investment platforms that right now they've crashed, like something like Trade Unions, Hyperfund and the rest. So they crashed because of a particular time like this. I'm not saying they are scammers. I'm not saying this one is also a scam, but I just try to play safe, and I will like you to also play safe. Don't put all your money into this. You can start with that $50, and when you have made something out of it, make sure that you are withdrawing, and if possible that you have withdrawn. If after you withdraw you've withdrawn all your capital, then you can now plan on compounding, or you just leave it to run for a while, and you just know how to go about with this. So that is my own recommendation concerning this platform. So I'm neither saying it is a scam nor recommending it. I'm not saying it is a scam or saying it is legit, but just play wise. As I said earlier, you should be responsible for your action. Everything in life is a risk, but it is even riskier for you not to take a risk. And whenever you are taking a risk, you should take a calculated one. Don't just jump before you look. You need to look before you jump. So that is my advice for you about this particular investment platform called Viseming. So if after you have done your own due diligence research and you think that it is what you can give it a try, don't forget to go in with your spare money. Alright, this is where I'm going to end this video for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any question about it, you can reach me through the comment box of this video, and you can also chat me up on this WhatsApp number here. chat me up on this WhatsApp number. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. And don't forget that this video is brought to you because of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. For that reason, you need to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next financial educational content that is about to be posted. So you can also send your message to me on through this email address here. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel also, as I will be dropping some financial educational content there as well. Okay, till the next video, bye bye and have a wonderful day ahead. All right.